Hi guys, just a quick hello here. Been rather busy lately, so I've not been videoing an awful lot. As you may be able to hear behind me, it's quite a storm brewing. I don't know if they've given it a name. I think the last one was called Storm Diana. I don't know what they've called this one, but that's the way it is. Weather comes and goes. I'm smoking a little bit of one of my mixes, call it Ennerbruno. I've spoken about it before, which is 50% St Bruno and 50% Ennerdale mix, which, as you probably know, is Gareth Hogarth's. It's just nice, it's lovely. Just a good sort of strongish medium tobacco, and it's just right for a cold dark night like tonight. One of those nights when you really need to get your coat on and keep warm. Smoking it in the old Westminster briar. Very nice briar, rustic briar. Looks quite a heavy pipe, but actually it's quite light. Anyway, everybody's rushing around like mad at the moment, all getting ready for the Yuletide festivities. Town's crazy, people running around and full of road rage. So it's good to get home and just get the pipe lit, relax a little bit. If more people did that, then it'd be a better world. Lower the blood pressure a bit and chill out, instead of all running around trying to kill each other. Oh, there we go. That's the way it is, like rats in a cage, too many of us I suppose. Really sounds stormy out there now. There'll be some damage tonight, I think. Wouldn't like to be out at sea tonight. Anyway guys, keep warm, keep safe and happy piping. Thanks for watching. See you soon.